Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain you about the conditional format. In order to open with the conditional format, we have to click on the home button, home menu. In home menu, we have a conditional formatting icon. So this conditional formatting, it is used to apply the different condition, different format based on the condition. Here we are selecting the range of the values. For the particular range of the value, we are applying the particular format. Like that, we can go for the multiple formats with the multiple ranges. So in order to apply the conditional format, to which of the area I am going to apply the conditional format, that should be selected. Now here I'll be selecting the marks area for the different 4 subjects. And now I'll go to the conditional format. So in conditional format, we have some predefined formats also we can get here. The first one is highlight cell rules. In this, we have a different types of the rules it will be coming. Greater than, less than, between, equals to. Just we have to specify the number. Suppose now I am going to take the greater than. Greater than, how much value? Here it is a 55. I may go for 60. That's 60, more than 60 marks will be formatted with the particular format which I am selecting here. Now, which of the format it is selected, that it will be applied for the range. Within that range, what is the range here? 60 and 60 above. Then now we have to say, okay, it will be formatted with a particular format. And like that only we have a one more predefined we can notice here. Here we have a top bottom rules. Suppose now I need top 10 items with a particular format. Top 10 items of this, I need to highlight with a different format here. Just I can select the format what it is required and I'll say okay. So among these, top 10 marks will be highlighted with the format what I have selected. And like that only, again by selecting this one, I may go for the next format here. Here we have a bar, data bars. In data bars, we have a different types of the bars we can notice. So which of the bar I'll be applying? Just I have to notice here, wherever there is a quantity, more quantity, it will be occupied with the long bar. Wherever there is a less quantity, that is occupied with the small bar size. Means bar size, it will be varying with respect to the value of the marks. As it is increased, marks increase, the bar size also it is increased, and by reducing the marks, it will be reduces the bar identity also, length also. So here we have a, this is how we are applying with the bar. And one more, we have a different color shades also, it will comes in the priority. We can apply this one. Next one, we have a arrows. By using this, we can apply the different icons here. And these icons, as we notice, here we have a up, down, and left. Up means highest values, it will be showing with the up. And left, it will be showing with a moderate value. And down, it is a very less value, less than that of the 30 and all, it will be showing with the down arrow. Like this here, it will be showing the range value identity, whether it belongs to the low, moderate, otherwise high. Then now what I'll do, I'll clear all these formats here. Clear rules from selected cells. I don't take any of the previous predefined format. Now I have to go for the application of my own format here. I'll go to the new rule. Means I am going to apply the custom rule. Click on this new rule and we have to go to format only cells that contain. Here, I'll be selecting this one. So which of the cells we are selected here, that is containing only the number. So that number is between. Now I am giving certain ranges. Now I'll give in between 20 as well as 60. In between 20 to 60, I'll be applying one of the format. What is the format is required to take for the range 20 to 60 values? Here I have to click upon the format and what type of the format I need to apply. So just I can select the formats here. I need to apply the border for this. I need to fill color for these cells. I'll take the blue color, cell background and font. I need bold here and I may go for the changes in the font color also. That just we have to say, okay, it will be applied for the first condition. That is between 20 to 60. And one more condition I need to apply for the same selected area, new rule. And once again, I have to go for the format only cells that contain. And this time I may go for 61 to 80. I'll be taking 61 to 80. That is the format we have to apply. Fill. Here I can go for the fill color and border. What is the border style and all that also we can select here, color for the border and all. And font, it is required bold, and here we have a fill color, it will be of the yellow. Okay, so now I'll be applying this format for the range. This is the format how it is applied for the text in the range. So now here it will take this one, and one more range I need to take here, that is 81 and above. New rule. Here I can go for the format only, cell contents. This time I may take 81 and above. So here we have a cell values. Now it is the between. Now I can take greater than or equals to. Now here already or equals to it is given in the previous condition. So I can go for the greater than. Greater than 80, all the values should take the format what I'll be specifying. Here in this, we have a color, background color for this. And I may go for the border and the font color, and it is required bold here. And color will be, which I'll select here. And this is the format for the last one, that is 81 above. 81 and 81 above. So here we have three conditions we are applied. Okay. In these three conditions, already we have taken some of the values. 12 it is taken, which is not taken any of the format because we are not given the range. Where it is given the range, for that it will be taking the format. Suppose now here, again, I need to clear these rules. Whatever it is applied for the cells, that I need to clear. Then I can go for the clear rules from the selected cell. Once again, it will be cancelling all the rules for the selected cells. In this way, we can apply the conditional format. Conditional format means based on the condition. Condition will be applying for the range of the values. Based on that condition, the format of the cell it will be taking here. Different formatting cells we can apply. This is called as a conditional format. Hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.